bebabuthane ngaphandle kwamahhovisi leliphephandzaba iSunday World kutosekela labantu labasikati labakhonjwe inzondo bahlukunyezwa ngeleliphephandzaba. Ngekuya kwalenhlangano iBelieve Her sigameko sakamvalisi sisukumise phasi ngulesekushicilela kwembiko lothintsabo DJ labadumile boThatho Sikwane lodume nga DJ Fresh na Themba Nkosi lodume nga DJ Euphonik. Lenhlangano ithi lendzaba leshicilelwe ngeleliphephandzaba inemniningwane lilumelako leyimfihlo lethole emaphoyiseni lemayana tinso legagadla ethwesela ababili.
The additional information used in the article consisted of a statement given to a member of the South African Police Service without the victim's consent and or knowledge. The conduct, which is the leak of personal and confidential information only to be used for criminal proceedings, is determined not only to is detrimental not only to the safety of victims of gender-based violence, but also an infringement of their rights to privacy, confidentiality and right of protection under the law.
Netinhlangano letimelela abasikati nebantwana tibencane lo mbhikisho.
Inkinga esinazo ukuthi imedia yethu yala South Africa la kumele ukuthi iprotect abantu besifazane ayiba protect iyahamba ithatha noma isiphi story baya publisher akumelanga kwenze kanjalo.
Sithi not in our lifetimes sizothula nje sibuke abantu be perpetuate gender based violence in a subtle manner, because khumbula ukuthi aqali ngokuthi ushaywe aqali ngokuthi udlengulwe.
Today it was very important for us to come here because again this is a woman whose rights has been violated simply because she does not have a bigger voice.
Baphathi beSunday World bemukele incwadi tikhalo basho nokuthi kusaphenywa ngalolu tsaba.
There are processes, that have to be taken in relation to calls such as those, because the person, has to be found guilty before any appropriate action can be considered. So I wouldn't like to really undermine the internal processes.
Letinhlangano letishikashiki tifuna kubanjwa umhlangano lophuthumako kubhunga kabanti ngendlela leliphephandzaba libika ngakhona tigameko letiyamene nekuhlukunyezwa ngokubulili.